In this video, I will show you how to move highs and lows. I received a lot of questions about it, like what is the breakup structures by the body, how to identify highs and low. And for my strategy, it is very essential to know where the high and where the low in order to find breakup structures and to find a change of characters. So let's take a deep dive. So in this example right here, like after this breakup structures, so this is a high and this is low. Now we will just like let the market run. Okay, so as you can see here, we got this weak rejection right here. And I saw that sometimes people use this as a breakup structures. And like I always said on the forward time frame, I want to see a breakup structure by the body to see the momentum of the trend. So for me, this is a weak rejection, and it shows that the trend currently is still bullish, and we cannot looking for short yet. So we do not move the high, but we move the low, which is here. Okay. Okay, so we got another weak rejection here. So I would move my low here and my high still the same. And as you can see the market is currently just ranging, and basically we will do nothing until we got the breakup structures by the body. Okay, so we got the breakup structures by the body here. So this is our new low and this is our new high. Okay, we got another break here. So this is our new low and this is our new high. Okay, still low here, high here. Okay, so we got another BOS here, new low, new high. Okay, this is a low and this is a high. Okay, so we got another break here, low here. Okay, so this is kind of very interesting here. So after we got a break by the body, so this is a high, this is a low, and this is a high, and we got like some kind of ranging between it, and we got a small break here. So for me, this is low, and this is a high. And like I said, if you want to have like the two like to find the long in this position, you need two high. So this is the first high. Now wait for the second high to find the long. And as you can see here, yeah, we got another high here. But as you can see, after this next high is created, we can see a very big like weak rejection. So we show that the momentum is like about to reverse so soon. So we were not entering on a long in this situation. So this is a high and this is our new low. And for me, I can looking for short, like for example in these areas. Just for example, so high, the low, the high, the low. This is a high again. Okay, so we got another break here to a high, and it's good for taking a long position. So basically that is how I move my highs and low. And I know it's kind of confusing, but you need to do a lot of backtesting in order to